Okay, so for anybody that remembers seeing the prickly ball light that I'm working on for some of my lighting for the arcade for Neo, finally got a chance to get back to doing more with it. And I had to wait for the copper paint to dry and cure a little bit. But there's 15 lights on it. Made a couple of changes. Originally there was going to be one more up here and the same thing, one more on the bottom, but I decided that just looks stupid. So, and I plan on putting a voltage regulator on it so I can control the power, because at 12 volts it's pretty darn bright. If I take it down, that's 9 volts, which is a lot more pleasant to look at in person. I'm not sure how it looks on the camera. And of course that's too low. That's 8 volts. I kind of like doing that because this is supposed to be decorative, not primary lighting. So, yep. If anyone's got any comments or suggestions or ideas, or maybe a lead on something. I haven't decided how many of these I'm going to make. I'd like to make 3 of them, because these are supposed to be for above the bar. Because for Wasteland, I have can lights, literally coffee cans with lights in them, can lights. And for Neo, I'd like to have lighting that's specific to Neo instead of rusty coffee cans. Alrighty.